Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you searching for an extra large mouse pad for your desk that's beautiful but also well made? Well, I was looking for that exact mouse pad and my search has ended because I have found one. This mouse pad is from ToLuLu. It is extended, so it covers almost the entire area of my small desk. I love the green marble design, but it comes in a variety of designs and colors. They thoughtfully include a coaster. I love the fact that this mouse pad is large so I can use my mouse anywhere along its surface, and also it's waterproof, which protects my desk from spills, which inevitably happen. The edges are well made and carefully stitched for durability, and the back of the mouse pad and the coaster have a non-slip surface. As soon as I opened this mouse pad and placed it on my desk, it laid flat, and I think the design is just gorgeous. I am so pleased with this mouse pad from ToLuLu. I have to tell you, it has just elevated the entire look of my desk. So this is absolutely exactly what I was looking for. I'm so glad I found this mouse pad that's large enough to cover the surface of my desk so that I can use my mouse all over the surface. It also has a non-slip back to it and very well made with the stitching all around the edges. The colors are just exquisite, and the added benefit of being waterproof has made this something that I don't know how I ever lived without. You definitely need to check out what ToLuLu offers for mouse pads, and that is my point of view.